Welcome students to our 45 days Navodaya crash course. So I hope everyone is able to hear me. Yes. So we are so just a minute students. Okay. So we are doing the crash course for 45 days, that is for Navodaya exams, right? So I hope everyone is able to hear me, and this is our fourth class, right? So we have studied the mental ability, that is two chapters every day, right? We have covered 6 chapters and we will be covering the remaining chapters today, right? So here the chapters we covered are, that is first figure matching, embedded figure, and then mirror images, and then pattern completion, figure series, analogy. And today what we will learn is, we will learn odd one out. What we will learn? We will learn odd one out. Yes. So odd one out, what do you mean by odd one out? Tell me. Odd one out means, that is we have to see which is a different one, which is the different one we have to see, and then identify odd one. Odd one means we have to find the different one, and it will be what? That is the answer. Okay. Okay, good. So let us see the odd one out now. So here let me take the screen. Yes, tell me, is everyone able to see the screen? Okay, good. Yes, so here this is the chapter odd one out. Okay. Okay, good. So odd one out, I will explain one of the question here. So can you see here? So there they can ask any question. It can be figures, it can be numbers, it can be letters, it can be anything. So there will be 4 options given, that is 4 figures will be given. In that we have to find which is the different one. If you see, there will be similarities in 3 figures. So there are what? 2 sides here, they are opposite. Here also opposite 2 sides, and here also opposite 2 sides. But in C, this is intersecting, this is intersecting. So C is the odd one out, right? So C is the odd one out for the first question. And for the second question, if you see, what is happening, there is a extra figure inside, so that will be the odd one out, that is B is the odd one out. Now let us see the third question. If you see the third question, what is there? These are all even numbers, right? So 2, 4, 6, these are even numbers. So D1 is odd, so that is the odd one out answer, right? Okay, now tell me the answer for the fourth, student. What is the answer for the fourth? Yes, so if you see, this is what? Curved. This is curved means, that is the answer option C is the odd one. Okay, everyone got it? So everyone is able to do? Yes, very easy, isn't it? Okay, good. Okay, okay, good. So that is how we have to identify the odd one out. Okay. Okay, good. So should I go to the next slide? Tell me. Yes. So I will go to the next slide here. Now tell me the answers for these questions, that is first, second, and then third, and then fourth. So which are the odd one, that is different one? We have to see the different one and identify them. Yes, tell me. I will give 10 seconds. Okay, students, let us discuss the answers now. Yes, so if you see in the first question, what is there? 21, 7, 14 and 8. So these are what? 7 3s are, and then 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, right? So these are similar, these are what? Similar, and 8 is different, right? So that is the answer, option D will come, right? So 8 is also even number, so that is why also it is different. These are all odd numbers, right? These are odd numbers, okay? So that is why. Next, if you see, that is second question. If you see the second question, so what is it? So if you see, there is a extra line here, there is a extra line here in D, so that is why it is a different. So answer is option D here. Now third question, if you see third question, what is it? So if you clearly observe, if you clearly observe, there is what? At the end of the arrows there is a dot and a arrowhead, but here it is different, right? So here also dot and arrowhead, here also it is dot and arrowhead. So this B is the different one. So answer option B is the correct, okay? So fourth question, so if you see fourth question, what is it? So if you clearly see, in D there is a extra line here, in D there is extra line here, so that is why it is the different, right? So different one is answer option D. Everyone is clear? Very very easy, isn't it? Very good. Let's go to the next, that is these questions. Solve them now. So students, should we discuss the answers now? Yes. So what you have to do is, you have to identify the different one, that is odd one. So if you see, these are outside, in these A, C and D, the part is outside, but in B it is inside, so that is why it is different. So this is the different figure. And second one, what is it? If you see the dots, this dot is outside, this dot is outside, so that is why answer option C will be the answer, okay? Now third one, what will be the answer? Very good. So that is, if you see, A, M, Z and B, B is the answer option, right? That is B is the answer, that is option D. Why? Because these are straight lines, all are straight lines. B is a curve, B is a curve, right? So that is why answer option D will come, okay? D is the answer option, understood? So for fourth one, what will be the answer? So there is an extra line here in fourth, B is the answer, right? So that is how we have to identify, okay? Okay, good. Let's go to the next, students. So solve these answers and tell me. Okay, now let us solve the next part, that is first, second and third and fourth question. So if you see here, for the first question, the answer will be what? All has three figures. Okay, all has three figures. So but answer option C will come, because all in the first all are same, second also all figures are same, but in C this is like a square, this is like a elliptical, so that is why it is different. So answer option C will be the answer for the first. Okay, second one, if you see what will be the answer here, so there is only one figure, here there are two, there is one, there is one, but all are joined, so this is open, this is open and it is what? Two figures, so that is why B is the answer here. So answer option B for the second one. Now let us go to the third one here. So if you see what is happening, you count the number of lines, or easily you can say this is a crisscross pattern, all are straight lines, right, in a parallel format. Okay, in a parallel format, this is also parallel format, this is also parallel, this is also parallel, but this is crisscrossing each other, that is intersecting. So D is the answer for the third one, right? So third one answer is option D. Now tell me which is the different in the D1. So that is the fourth question. So 20, 40, 001 and 80. So what will be the answer here? Option C will be the answer, because this is a odd number, this is a odd number, and all other are even numbers, all other are even numbers. So this is a odd number, so that is why this is the odd one. So option C will be the answer. Okay, okay, good. Yeah, it's very easy, isn't it? So you will be able to identify and tell which is the odd one easily. Okay, so what we are learning, tell me? We are learning odd one out. Now tell me the answers for these questions. Okay, students, let us see the answers now. So everyone like the video and share with your friends also. So for the first one, if you see, these two figures are facing each other, right? This is also same facing each other, this is also same facing each other, but in here they are facing away. They are what? They are facing away. So answer will be option A is the answer, right? So that is answer will be option A is the different one for the first one, right? Now let us go to the second one. What is happening here? Plus, into and then minus, these are what symbols? Mathematical symbols, and star is a figure, different figure. So answer will be what? Answer option D, isn't it? Answer option D will be the answer here for the second one. Now let us go to the third question. If you see what is happening here, 2, 7, 13 and 8. So what are these? If you see, 2, 7 and 13 are prime numbers. 2, 7, 13 are what? Prime numbers. So D is an even number, it is not prime, so that is why it is the answer. These are what? Prime numbers, these are prime numbers. So it will be answer option D for the third one. Now if you see the fourth question, what will be the answer? Easily you can tell. So this is, both are same, inside and outside are same, this is different, so that is why it is odd. This is different, right? This is different, all other are same. Here this is also same, in and outside figure are same, so that is why B is the answer for the fourth one, right? So very easy. So everyone like the video, okay? So this is how you have to identify the odd one and solve the question. Understood? Very easy. So now let us go to the next here. Tell me the answers for these students. Okay, students, let us see the three questions here. 255, 310, 123, 561. So what can be the pattern here? So if you see the size, it cannot be, right? So we will come to that. Okay, now we will go to second and third, and then I will solve the first one. Okay, so in the second question, what is it? The colored part is opposite here, right? The colored part is opposite here, and here it is also opposite, and this is also opposite, but these are not opposite, so that is the answer option B. Okay, now third question. So third question, if you see, the arrow is pointing towards the center, right? So this is also same, but this arrow is pointing away from the center, so that is why answer option C will be the different one, right? So these are the answers for second and third. Now for the first one, so it may be little confusing for you. So what, tell me, what will be the answer which is the odd one here? Okay, so there are answer option A is 255, B is 310, C is 123, and D is 561. Okay, so if you see and observe, it will be very easy. Okay, so 255 is how much? Yes, so is an odd number. 255 is an odd number, and this is an even number. 310, 123 as an odd number, and 561 is an odd number. So which is different? Answer option A is that is answer option, that is B is different, that is even, right? So what is it? That is B is the even number, so that is why it is different number. Okay, very good. So that is very easy, you don't have to think much, just identify the answer and mark it, right? Will everyone be able to solve the odd one out? Tell me. Very good students, very good. Okay, so this is how we have to do odd one out. Okay, okay, good. Let's go to the, that is next slide. These will be homework for you, these will be homework for you, and you have to write the answers in the comment. Okay, write the answers in the, this is the third one and this is the fourth one. Okay, so write the answers in the comment after the video. Will everyone do it? Okay, very good. So next part, so once again I am covering, that is we studied just now odd one out. In the odd one out, what we have to do, we have to identify the different, we have to identify the different figure and it will be your answer. Okay, so let us see the next, that is we will study geometrical figure completion. What we will study? Geometrical figure completion. So here we just have to little bit understand some things here. In geometrical figure completion, what they will ask? What they will ask is, they will ask you to complete the figure. They will ask you to complete the figure. Okay, so if you see here, they will give any of these, that is it can be square, it can be what? It can be square, it can be triangle, it can be a circle. So you have to complete it. What you have to do? You have to complete it. You can watch this video again because it may be little confusing for you. Okay, so this is little difficult, not much. Okay, so let us see here. So how we have to complete it? So they may give cut part. Okay, they may give cut part. So if they cut like this, so if you see, that is if they cut this part into this, so if they give this, we have to identify the second one. If they cut in this pattern, okay, so the which is matching figure for that, which is matching figure, that for that we have to identify. Okay, okay, will everyone be able to do? Okay, good. Let's go to the next, that is first question. So this is a square, this is a square, right? So if you complete it, this will be the matching figure, so that fits into the question figure, that fits into the question figure. So answer will be option C. Answer will be option C here, right? So that is, once again I am drawing. Okay, I am drawing once again here. Okay, so here this is a square. So if you draw the square and complete it, which will fit properly? That is answer option C will fit properly. That if you take it and fit it here, it will fit properly. So that is why answer option C for the first question. Okay, now second question, if you see, what will be the answer here? That is what you have to join here. So if you join the figure B, if you join the figure B, it will fit properly, right? It will fit properly and that will be the answer option B, right? So the same figure which will fit in properly, we have to identify. What you have to do? We have to identify which figure will fit properly, right? So this is what is geometrical figure completion. So they may ask either square, okay, they may ask either square or triangle or circle. So any of this cut part will be given to you and we have to identify which will be fitting properly. So that will be your answer. Okay, that will be your answer. Okay, let's go to the next, that is third question. So this is a circle, right? This is a circle here. So that is, if you take, what will be the properly fitting part here? So which option will fit properly? Yes, so that is answer option D will fit properly, right? In the third one, so that is circle will, if you complete the circle means, that is answer option D will fit properly for the third. Understood? Very good. So this is very easy. Now for the fourth question, if you see, this is a square. So if you complete this figure, if you complete this figure, so which figure will fit in? Which figure will fit in? That is Should I go with options? So I will draw it once. So if you draw it and join it here, it will be what? That is answer option B will be fitting properly, right? B will be fitting properly. Okay. So for the fourth, B is the correct answer. Very good. Everyone is able to do it, right? Everyone understood. Very good. Very good. This is very easy. Just what we have to identify? We have to identify which part will fit properly. Okay. So this is what is geometrical figure completion. Okay. Now I will give questions for you. You tell me the answers now. Okay, let me discuss the answers now. Here, the first question. So, what is it? If you draw the circle and join it, it will look like this, right? Answer. So, what will be the answer here? So, that is answer will be option A here. Answer will be option A is the proper one, right? So, this is the answer. So, if you join this here, the answer will come option A for the first one. Okay, good. Now, second one. So, this is what? This is a square. This is a square. So, if you join the square here, so answer will come option which? So, answer will come option here. Okay. So, answer will come option A here, right? Answer option A is the proper one for the second. Now, let us see the third one. If you see the third one, it will, which will fit properly here? Tell me. Why is it changing? So, for the third one, if you see, that is directly what we can tell. So, if you join in here, so which will fit properly? So, that is answer option D will fit properly, right? So, answer option D will fit properly for the third one. Okay, okay, good. Now, fourth answer, if you join in here, so it will be a square. It will be what? A square. So, should I tell directly the answer? Yes. So, answer option A is the correct for the fourth one. Everyone got the same? Very good. So, this is how you have to do the questions. Okay, okay, good. Let's go to the next, students, that is these questions. Tell me the answers. Okay, let me solve the questions now. Here for the first one, if you join here, it will be a square and the answer will come option A for the first one, right? So, that will fit in here. Now, for the second, this is also a square, right? So what answer will come here? That is option B for ball will come. B for ball will come. Okay. Now for the third one, this is a square. This is a also a square. So which will fit properly? Answer option is option B for ball, right? B will fit properly. Okay. Okay, good. Now third one. So third one, if you see, that is very easy, circle. So answer option C will fit for the fourth. Understood? So this is how we have to do the geometrical figure completion. So geometrical figure completion means we have to identify which part will fit properly. What we have to do? We have to identify which part will fit properly here. We did these questions. Now solve these questions. Now let us see the 4 questions here. So that is, if you join here for the first one, if you join for the first question, so what will happen? This will look like this. So which will be the answer? Option A will be the answer. Easily you can identify, right? Okay, good. Now for the second, this may look difficult, but it is easy only, right? It is easy only. Just go with options. What you have to do? You have to go with options. So C will not be the answer because it is totally different here, and D will not be the answer. Then will A be the answer? No, because it is different here. So what will be the answer? Option B will be the answer. You can identify the answers and then options which will not be correct, and then you will get the correct answer. Now for the third one, so this is also very easy. So we have to complete the whole figure here, right? So if you join the circle and the square, right? So answer will come option A for the third. Now for the fourth, so what you have to do? You have to join here like this. If you join like this, that answer will come option A, isn't it? So answer option A is the correct for the fourth one. So that is how we have to do the answers. Understood? Very good. So this is how we have to identify the geometrical figure completion. Now do these questions, students. Okay, let us see the answers now. So here for the first one, if you join here, there will be a small square. So answer option A for the first, and then for the second, so this should be colored, students. So that is first answer, it should be colored, means that is why answer option C, okay, not A. Don't be confused with A. So second one, if you join here, the figure will look like option B for the second. Now for the third, this square if you complete, what it will look like? It will look like answer option D, right? And for the fourth, if you complete the square here, what it will look like? It will look like answer option B, right? So answer option B for the fourth one. Yes, everyone is doing good, very good. So this is how we have to complete the answers here. Okay, okay, good. Now I will give homework for you. So this is your homework and you have to complete it, right? So that is the first, second, third and fourth question. These answers you have to write it in the comment box after the video. So students, what did we learn? We learned two chapters, that is geometrical figure completion. So this is geometrical figure completion. We have to identify which figure will complete the what given figure. So they may ask three types of figure. One is square, another is triangle, another is circle. So in this they will give cut part and we have to identify, as you can see in the second, right? So as you can see in the second, that is you have to identify which will complete the figure. So that will be the answer option B here. So this is how you have to identify geometrical figure completion. Will everyone be able to do, students? Very good. So that is how you have to complete the answers. Okay. So thank you for watching the 45 days Navodaya crash course, and you can share with your friends, like the video, and we will see tomorrow.